Hello students, our today's topic is group dynamics. That means what is the importance of a group in an organization. Suppose you are recruited in an organization but you are alone in that organization. So you have no importance, no one is talking to you, no one is giving importance to you. So you have to join in a group formally or informally. So then only you can survive in that office or in that organization or in that factory. So to understand the culture of that factory, culture of that organization, culture of that office, you have to join the group, you have to take some inputs from that group. So the importance of group is so much in a corporate culture. So our today's topic is group dynamics and what are the different theories from which we can develop group. So what is group dynamics? The social process by which people interact with each other face to face in small groups, that is called group dynamics. Kurt Lewis is the first person who popularized this topic, that is group dynamics. A group can be defined as a collection of individuals in which there are different features. What are the features of a group? The features are, first I would like to say, interaction among members. That means interaction among members. That means members can interact with each other. Members should be interacted with each other. Second feature is perception of group membership. That means a group should be created in a same persona people. That means the perception of the people should be same. That means they should be same ideological. That means they should support the same football team, or they should support the same IPL team, or they should support the same political party. Otherwise there should be a collision between the groups. Third is shared norms and values. They should be shared the same norms and same values between themselves, so that the energy and of the group should be the same. Interdependence. Fate interdependence means the group's fate should be interdependent between each others. That means suppose someone is not working properly, then the whole group must be suffered. So these are the common features of a group. Next, what are the different types of group? So there are majorly two types of groups are there. What is first is formal group and second is informal group. So what is formal group? It is defined by organization structure and formal chains of command. As you can see in this picture, there are people in a formal dress. They are working in the same group for the organization. It is given by the organization. It is not their own choice that they are in the group. In an organization, suppose some people are working in some project. So that is a group and that is a formal group. But what is informal group? They are not formally structured. As you can see in this picture, they are sitting and having some chit chat with each other. So that is an informal group. They improve channels of communication and create a healthy organizational ambience. Informal groups help in making the total system more efficient and effective. It will reduce the intoxicity of your brain. Next, there are different theories of group formation. So in first we are talking about formal group. To create a formal group, there is a theory called 5-stage model group formation. To create a formal group, there is a theory called 5-stage model of group formation. In that formation group, there are total 5 stages. What are the stages? Forming, storming, norming, performing and adjourning. What are the different stages? First is forming, second is storming, third is norming, fourth is performing and fifth is adjourning. In these stages, group group will be developed. We can say formal group will be developed. So what is the first stage? First stage is forming group. In forming group, people interact with each other. By that, they are doing some work. There is a lot of uncertainty at this group. They do not know at all each other. They just interact with each other that he is something, she is something. Basic issue is related to leadership. In this stage, they are knowing each other that who is going to lead the group. When group members start recognizing themselves as a part of the group of the forming stage is complete. When they know each other, the forming stage is already complete. Next stage is storming. In this stage, the group members create a conflict between themselves that who is going to lead the group. There is a lot of intra-group conflict because of opposition of constraint imposed by the group on individuality. There is a conflict for control of the group. That means who is going to lead it, who is going to control the group. At the end of this stage, the storming, clear leadership emerges. That means who will win, he is going to lead the group. And the storming stage ends there. Next stage is norming. Norming means in this stage close relationships evolve. That means among the group there is a close relationship during the activities or during the work evolved in the group and they show cohesiveness. Members enjoy a strong sense of group identity, solidification of group structure and assimilation of a common set of expectations of what defines appropriate members' behavior mark themselves over this stage. In the next stage, that is performing group, the name itself suggests that they have to perform the task. For what reason they are accumulated in this group, they have to do it. Here the structure is fully operational and accepted by the members. That means they have to finish the work. For a permanent group, it is the last stage. That means there is no fifth stage. But for the temporary group, there is another stage that is called adjourning stage. In this stage, the group prepares to disband themselves. That means they are now going to end this group. High task performance is here replaced by winding up activities. Understand? So that means here total 5 stages. That means first stage is forming, second stage is storming, third stage is norming, fourth stage is performing, and fifth stage is adjourning. At these stages, the formal groups defined in the formal way. Now, informal groups. So, there are in total 4 theories to form an informal group. So, the first theory is propinquity theory. Second theory is Homan's theory. Third theory is balance theory. And the fourth theory is exchange theory. So, what is the first theory? Propinquity theory. Propinquity theory is given by Theodore Newcomb. Theodore Newcomb gives the propinquity theory. Propinquity means nearness. Propinquity means nearness. That means in the office or in the organization or in the factory, those who are sitting near to you, you create a special bond with them. You have an informal connection with them. So that creates an informal group. So that is called propinquity theory. Theodore Newcomb gives this theory. Second is Homan's theory. What is Homan's theory? Homan's theory, here the diagram is not properly given. The diagram will be like this. In this theory, whenever the organization gives some people a task, an activity, they create a informal group. They exchange their sense, they exchange their feelings to themselves. So in this way, Homan said that there is an informal group created. Next, third is balance theory. In the balance theory is also given by Theodore Newcomb, and the balance theory is called that they have to there are some people those who share the same kind of feeling with each other. Suppose some people believe in football, same. So third theory in the informal group is that balance theory. So what is balance theory? Balance theory is that where the people, those who share the same kind of norms and values to each other. Suppose few people support the same IPL team, those who create the same team. Suppose there are people, those who support the same political party, they create an informal group with each other. So they, in this fashion, they exchange their balance between themselves. So that is called balance theory. And the last is exchange theory. So what is exchange theory? Exchange theory is called like that those who share the benefits with each other. Suppose I need something from some other people and he also needs something from me. So we share the same thing, the things with each other. So that is called exchange theory. In the exchange theory, the people exchange the benefits from each other. The theory is also given by humans, and these are the four theories of informal group. So for informal group there is a theory of 5-stage model, and in informal group there are four theories: propinquity theory, Bowman's theory, balance theory, and exchange theory. So except formal and informal, there are other types of groups are also there. That means, so except formal and informal group, there are different types of groups are also there. First is primary group. So what is primary group? That the group primarily created for any task. Second is task group. So what is task group? For suppose a simple task, a group is created. So that is called task group. Third is command group. To proceed some other commands, the group will be created. So these are the different kinds of groups in a organization. Thank you very much.